are we ready? Let's do this. Today we are going to unveil the Power Rangers Retro Reverse Fanimation Jacket by Chalkline. And I am a huge Power Rangers fan. You have no idea, guys. So let's get to it. I'm really hoping that the size I ordered fits me. Ooh, okay, receive. Whoa, okay now, let's open this. Okay. Oh, I totally forgot I also ordered the shorts. Let's go with the jacket first. Okay, so wow. Let's see, I ordered large because I like to have my jackets loose fitting. Ooh, I like this a lot. Ooh, I don't know what is the word called? What it's made out of? What material it's made out of? But it's satin. Check it out, y'all. Ooh, this is fire. Ooh, back. Oh, the design. The design is beautiful. Check out the front. Oh. Okay, y'all, let us wear it and see how it is. Oh. And check it out. Ooh, wow, this is fresh. This looks nice. Okay, yes, again, this is a large, and it feels definitely true to size. It's not too big. Even this. And I don't know what size I ordered. Ooh, okay, yes. I am all for this. And let's see, I ordered, it doesn't really say. Oh yes, I ordered a large, so I'm hoping this fits. Be right back. Wow, they look so good. This is also a large, and I am very pleased with it. Hey, yeah, go and buy it. It feels amazing. Shout out to Chalkline, thank you so much. And this is not sponsored. I would love to be sponsored if I get a chance. Yeah, enjoy. Peace out.